Discuss a problem on quadratic expression. The question is solve the equation or solve the quadratic expression. The equation is 2x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 11x square plus x plus 2 equal to 0. Observe the given equation in that highest power and constant coefficients are same and odd power variable coefficients are same. So, in that case, just you divide the whole equation with x square. Then write separately 2x to the power of 4 by x square plus x cube by x square minus 11x square by x square plus x by x square plus 2 by x square equal to 0 by x square. Both sides divide with x square. So, here 1x and denominator x cancel, x square cancel, here x square and power 3 cancel, here x square 4 minus 2 is 2. Now write it 2x square plus x minus 11 plus 1 by x plus 2 by x square, 0 by x square is 0. Now we combine 2x square and 2 by x square right at a time side by side, and 2 is taking common, 2 of x square plus 1 by x square. Then taking x variables, that is 1 into x plus 1 by x minus 11 equal to 0. Observe this, in this we take the variable x plus 1 by x expression into new variable y, and this y substitute in the above expression, then it becomes 2 into actually y square, here squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, then that is x plus 1 by x whole square equal to y square. Now expand it, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x equal to y square. X get cancelled, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to y square minus 2. This is the x square plus 1 by x square, and the variable is x plus 1 by x. Y, this equation 2 and equation 3 substitute in equation 1. Equation 2 and 3 substitute in equation 1. That is 2 into y square minus 2 plus, observe it, 2 into y square minus 2 plus y minus 11 equal to 0. Now it is expanded, 2 into y square distributive law, 2y square minus 2 to the 4 plus y minus 11 equal to 0. 2y square plus y minus 15 equal to 0. Here y square coefficient is 2, constant coefficient is 15, 15 to the 30. 30 difference or sum is equal to 1. How to get it? 30 prime factorization, 3 tens are 2 5s are, 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So, 6 minus 5 equal to 1. So, plus y can write it as 2y square plus 6y minus 5y minus 15 equal to 0. In the first two terms, taking 2y common, 2y of y plus 3. In the last two terms, taking minus 5 common, y plus 3 equal to 0. Then y plus 3 is taking common, 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Now we get the two roots, that is y plus 3 equal to 0 or 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Here again substitute y value, that is x plus 1 by x in these two expressions, in these two linear equations. Substitute x plus 1 by x plus 3 equal to 0. Take the LCM. X is the LCM. X square plus 1 plus 3x equal to 0. Then we get the quadratic equation. X square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This denominator x is taking to right side. Then we get the quadratic equation. Now, one factors is 1. Use the quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 1. Substitute in that. X equal to minus 3 plus or minus under root of b square is 9 minus 4ac, that is 4, by 2 into a 1. Then x equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 9 minus 4 is root 5 by 2. So, factors are x equal to, here x values are 2, those are minus 3 plus root 5 by 2, and x equal to minus 3 minus root 5 by 2. This is for one equation, one linear equation, and for the other, substitute here y value 2 into x plus 1 by x minus 5 equal to 0. Take the LCM. 2 into x square plus 1 by x minus 5 equal to 0. Again take the LCM for the two terms, and 2 is distributed to that factor. 2x square plus 2 minus 5x over x equal to 0. X is taking to right side. Then it is expressed in the quadratic equation. 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. 2 to the 4. 4 factors are 4 ones are 4. 2x square minus 4x minus 1x plus 2 equal to 0. In the first two terms 2x common, x minus 2. In the last two terms minus 1 common, x minus 2 equal to 0. Here x minus 2 is a common factor, then 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Here x minus 2 equal to 0 is a one factor, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. The product of two factors equal to 0 means either 1 or either a or b. So, from this we get x equal to 2, 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. So, what are the factors here? Total 4 factors. What are the zeros here? Are solutions. Here 4 solutions are there. X equal to 2 and 1 by 2, minus 3 plus root 3 whole by 2, minus 3 minus root 5 whole by 2. Here not factors, roots are the roots of given quadratic expression.